full room tour. So, welcome to this room tour. So we're in number 3029 on the third floor. There's the doorbell. And you enter the room by standard key card. If it works, second time lucky. And in we go. And you put your key card into the switch to generate all the power. Now these two buttons here are for do not disturb with a red light, and the next one is please make up my room, which will show a green light. Okay, this is a standard deluxe bedroom. It's not pool facing, it's to the side of the hotel, but very convenient, very nice. Excuse the mess. As you can see, a big queen bed there. Mini bar below with a coffee machine. Water was all included. Tea, coffee pods, etc. Oh, there's me. Tea bags, etc. And there's the stock mini bar, which was all included. We used all the drinks. Water, still water. Some nuts. Some Turkish biscuits. Oh, Doritos, they're the ones that are used all the way around the pool as well that you used to get. So yeah, pretty well stocked, and it got stocked up every day when your room was made up. There's an Effie's malt there, and there's the sparkling water, as well as the still water bottles as well. So big TV, lovely TV. I'm going to open up this here. This was the TV remote holder. Little desk there. We did manage to do some work on. Plug sockets. Then we're going out to the balcony. As I said, it was a non-pool view, but as you can see, decent size, decent enough for hanging up your clothes to dry in the heat. And there's the little estuary that goes down into the main sea, which is adjacent to our beach. So yeah, a bit of a view there. And as you can see just down there, that is the hotel gym pool and the outside pool that's part of the spa facilities. So going back into the room, good air conditioning, worked very well, wasn't noisy. These drawers, all velvet lined, all very nice. Lots of storage space. Again, velvet lined. And another one. So we had a nice sort of wing-back chair type of thing. Side table, a chaise longue, which ended up being the clothes horse. A decent sized bed. Got some lamps on the side. And there's some reading lamps that you could move and extend, as you can see there. Bedside drawers again, velvet lined. Very nice. My bit of reading there, Gary Neville. Plenty of closet space, wardrobe space, hangers, a few hangers that were provided. Mirrors on the wardrobes, which was nice. There's a safe, standard combination safe that you can use. A couple of drawers in there as well. But again, adequate for a week away for us with all our clothes. And going into the bathroom, single basin there. And then you get these amenity kit, personal kit, one for the ladies. And around the other side, there's one for the gents as well. So what's inside this kit? If I can get it off. So what's in here? Oh, there's a razor. flannel mask type of thing. Toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, some earbuds, pod things for clean your ears out, cotton wool buds. So yeah, didn't use any of that stuff, but nice touch. Got a lamp there for doing your shaving. And we're going into the toilet. Decent toilet, standalone, very good. Now this is the bidet part, and I've managed to flood everywhere because it's a bit powerful, but it does work, and it's surprising how much you used to get used to the bidet. It's very clean. Every decent 5-star hotel has to have a phone in the toilet. It's la ley, it's the law. A small size bath, but again, we didn't use the bath, used the shower, just hanging up clothes and swim costumes, etc. But again, decent size if you wanted to. It's got a shower extension as well, all fully tiled. There's me trying to switch the lights on and off. Towels that were replaced every day. You've got the dressing gowns that weren't to keep but to use. Didn't manage to use those at all. And then we have this wonderful shower, fully enclosed, fully tiled, and it had the what I call the douche shower, the detachable part, and the rain screen shower as well, which was very, very nice and very pleasant. After a long day in the pool, come back and have a refreshing shower, get ready for the evening meal. Yeah, really good. Powerful as well. Just have to be careful as you get out. Make sure you got the towel down so you don't slip over. And yeah, it's the room's nicely decorated. Bed was lovely and soft. Oh, and there's our pass with the QWERTY code to see what's on at the hotel. And there's the key card. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do click the like button below. And if you do like our content, please do subscribe to the channel. You'll get notifications of new videos hitting your YouTube screens. See you in the next one. Why not click on the link above to watch our full holiday review of the hotel and its facilities? And remember, go and enjoy yourself.